Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 26th of March, 2023. We're going to talk about Apple today and give you all an insider warning, trying to make a determination if Apple's going to continue to go up or is it going to continue to go down? Because take a look, even though we're having a banking crisis, even though there's been bank runs going on and a lot of uncertainty across the financial world, Apple, along with many other technology stocks, have seen price go up. Is this where the money is going? Like, for real, charts don't lie. I don't care what anyone says. Charts don't lie. You got to believe them. And money in Apple has been coming into it because the demand is here. Apple has been in an uptrend ever since the beginning of this year. Here it is, March the 26th, 2023, and price is still going up. Am I surprised? No, I'm not surprised, because I did a price prediction in Apple on March the 14th, stating the same thing, that Apple was going to go up. So here it is today. You guys can see over the last couple of days, the market in Apple came to ultimate TP price, 6.31% right there. Now, is this the high? Is this how high Apple stock is going to go, or is it going to continue to go up? Let's talk about it, because the chart currently is showing us that the market is bullish. Yes, so we're going to talk and address some things on the chart. First thing we're going to do is we're going to follow this downtrend, right? Now, this could be a problem. I want to be real with everyone who views my videos and my content. This could be a problem right here. The market action in Apple is currently hitting a downtrend. Will price break it to the upside? Seeing Apple stock price break this downtrend to the upside would be an emphatic confirmation that the market is bullish, period. So we're literally sitting back like spectators trying to figure out if Apple's going to break this downtrend. If it is, we're golden. Price is going to continue to go higher. And then we're going to look for the market to basically hit some of these highs previously back in 2022. Now, what would you think if I told you that the chart is already letting us know where price is trying to go? Let's look at Apple on the weekly chart. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at it on the weekly, because we have completed the weekly price bar. And take a look at this weekly price bar. How do you think this looks? If you were to weight which side of the market actually won on the previous trading week, would you say the buyers won, or would you say the sellers? To me, the sellers lost and the buyers won. Now, yes, I said that, but I want you all to notice how price closed off the highs of that weekly price bar. So it's not like the sellers didn't fight back, because they did. They was able to close the price in Apple off of the highs. So there's still sellers here in the market in Apple. Look at Apple on the weekly. The 2 weeks. Okay. So we've completed the 2 weekly price bar as well. How do you think? What do you think about this one? This 2 weekly price bar? The buyers definitely won, because the prior 2 weekly price bars, you guys can see how sellers tried to push the price down, right? These two weekly price bars, they tried to lower Apple's value, but then they didn't. The buyers still came through and successfully beat out the sellers. So now that's the 2 weeks. Look at Apple here on the 3 weeks. Sellers still lost. My only concern is the downtrend. That's it. That's the only thing that is going to impact the buyers from moving market higher. That's it. So from a risk adjustment basis, that's the only thing that is on the radar that could impact how high Apple is going to go. I'm going to keep it real. But currently, looking at this price action in Apple, because right here on this 5 weekly price bar kind of tells us that there still may be some people in the market in Apple definitely looking for the market to maybe hit 180, 175, 180. This spread just didn't vanish and evaporate. It's still here. The people who pushed the price in Apple on this 5 weekly price bar is trying to come through again. So from a 5-week perspective, I would state that there's a greater chance to see Apple go higher than it is going down. Take a look at this monthly price bar for March. This is still bullish. Now we still have 5 days and 4 hours, so everything can change in the next 5 days. This is just simply a forecast, especially seeing that this monthly price bar is not completed, but this still looks bullish. I'm showing you these different aspects of time to show you that the chart is telling you that the market is still bullish. Take a look. This is Apple on the 3-day, and this is literally telling me that sellers are coming in the market right now. So from out the gate, yes, we may even see Apple go down. That's going to scare a whole lot of people out the market because they think that the market's going to fall. Okay, that's what they're going to think. And that's how the market wants you to act. You have to view the market from the standpoint of being unbiased, meaning that you could care less if it goes up or down. But we can still see the grand scheme of things is that price is still bullish. Price is still going up. We haven't seen a change of sentiment yet in Apple. Not yet. But don't worry, because we've already seen where it could begin right there around 162.50. Now, from the 2-day chart, I still think price is still bullish, even here on the daily. So let me break down this daily time frame real quick, because like I told you, we can tell that sellers are coming in, right? We can tell because the price is hitting a downtrend line. This is where sellers are entering the market in Apple. So we saw selling here on the 22nd of March. This is where the sellers initiated their attack. They even came through on the 22nd, on the 23rd of March, and were still attacking the buyers, right? But then you come to the 24th of March. Why would the price in Apple, if it was really bearish and weak and people were selling, why would it close up here at the high of the bar? We had 2 days of selling coming to the market, and yet and still the price still closed higher than the prior 2 days. Because there's still demand, there's still interest, there's still people willing to buy Apple because they're looking for the market to go up. Charts don't lie. It doesn't. This is telling me that currently the trend is still one of high prices, even though we're noticing price getting rejected at this downtrend. Now, as always, we have to look at it both ways. Yes, currently price is bullish. Currently, I'm looking for price in Apple to go up, but be careful. We always have to consider the other side, meaning that since we're knocking on the door of this downtrend line, there's still a chance that price could go down. Now, I'll say it's a slim chance, maybe 20% chance that the market could go down. Maybe let's hit it up to 30% chance that the market can get rejected on this downtrend line, which we've created. And the other 70% is price continue to be bullish and go up. Okay. So I'm done. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart real quick. And as always, I'm going to show you my targets as to how we're going to look for the market in Apple to move. Okay. So that first target, again, it's going to be at 162.50. No, I'm going to do a 165, right around 165. That is 2.99%. Okay, 165. Second target is going to be a 168. Okay, that is 4.75%, $167.81. Third target is going to be around 172, a little bit less than 172, which is around 7% move higher in Apple there, 172. Now, once we get this confirmation that Apple is going to break this downtrend line, understand the market is massively bullish there. Okay, so let me clean up the chart because our areas of focus is going to be here now. All right, that's it. I am done. Welcome to those who are new. Yes, you guys clicked on a very good video. because this is the place that you're going to get a prediction, a forecast. We're just not going to regurgitate articles that you can seemingly read for yourself. We're actually going to give you something that you can utilize and see that is actual and transparent and true, that you can also do the same thing. You can predict where prices are going to go, all by looking at price bars and volume. Nothing more and nothing less. Don't let people confuse you, because confusion is one of the biggest things as to how people enlarge their bank accounts. Because they're coming out as the expert and you're coming out as the student or the pupil trying to learn what they know, because it's so complicated and complex. It should not be. This is just simply a market. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.